This model is for BMW 7 Series 2003 to 2007. Now let's take a look for the details. This is anti-reflection screen with 0.8-inch touchscreen. In the side there's a SD card slot here. Now let us take a look for the back. There's a connector that connect to the ground. Here there's a flag cable that is connected to the factory board. Now let's take a look at the details for this connector. This is the power connector, and this one is the GPS antenna. There are some cables here. This is for the this is ACC 12, connect to the ACC, and this is camera 12. That means this is the power for the camera. If you install the camera, you need to connect this one. And this is 316 camera depth. So if you install the 316 camera, you need to connect this. Okay, let's go on. This is connected to the ground, and this yellow connector is the camera in, video camera in. This is DVR in, and this is TV in. This is two RCA cable with audio in. One is right and one is left. So let's go on to take a look at the accessories. The accessory including a AUX cable and GPS antenna, a touch pen. Now let us mainly introduce the power cable. The power cable, this is the female connector and a male connector. The male connector is connected to the factory power cable, and the female connector is connected to the factory radio head unit. And there's two USB here that you can install to the glove box. And this is the AUX cable. In our accessory, there is also a AUX cable. You need to connect this like this, and the other side is connected to the armrest box, to the AUX port under the armrest box, so that it can have the sound output. For the female connector, this 4 holes is ready for the optical fiber. The BMW 7 Series, it have the optical fiber. You need to move the optical fiber to this hole and insert to the factory radio head unit. And here there's a middle speaker connector. When your car have the middle speaker, you need to connect this so that it have the sound output for the GPS. This cable also have 2 cables specially. One is CAN 1 and the other one is CAN 2. So now today I would like to introduce more, because there's installation guidance, but I think it is not so much details. So I would like to introduce you how to connect this. First, CAN 1 and CAN 2 connect like this. This is the CAN 2, and this one is connect to the CAN 1. So it is clear, right? And And this connector, the factory BMW 7 Series, there's an optical fiber on the back of the factory screen. You need to move the optical fiber from the screen connector and insert this port, and then connect this cable to the factory monitor. There are sockets for this connector, and this connector connect to the factory connector, which was removed from the factory screen. So it have the sounds. So the optical fiber on the monitor connect to this. The other side optical fiber have moved into this connector and have insert to the factory radio. So the sound system is okay for the model. For the installation guidance, you can download from our website. Thank you very much.